In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication in Slack for your workspace. First, make sure you're logged into Slack in your browser. From there, head to your main workspace and open any channel. In this example, we're using a general company channel, but it can be any channel you have access to. The important thing is that you can see the usual Slack interface with your channels list on the left and messages in the middle. Next, look to the top right area of Slack where your workspace controls and profile are. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Click on that area to open the profile menu. This is where Slack keeps all of your personal settings and account options. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Profile and click it. This will bring up a panel with your personal details, like your name, title, and contact information. From here, we're going to move into the deeper account settings that control things like security and sign-in. Inside the profile area, find the small menu or button that opens additional options for your account. Click on that highlight to reveal more choices. Among those options, you'll see one called Account Settings. Go ahead and click Account Settings. This will open a page in your browser that's specifically focused on your Slack account, rather than the channel you were just viewing. On the Account Settings page, you'll see different sections for things like email, password, and sign-in methods. Look for a section that can be expanded, often indicated with a small arrow, or Expand option. Click on Expand so that you can see more detailed security options related to your account. Once you've expanded that section, scroll until you find the part that talks about two-factor authentication or extra verification when signing in. There will be a highlighted area or link that indicates where you can manage this. Click on that highlight to focus on the two-factor settings. Finally, you'll see a clear option labeled Set up Two-Factor Authentication. Click on Set up Two-Factor Authentication to begin the setup process. From here, Slack will walk you through linking an authentication app or using another verification method, and you just need to follow those on-screen instructions to complete it. And that's all you need to navigate from your Slack channel to the exact place where you can turn on two-factor authentication and strengthen the security of your account.